Okay, so this is day 3 on the courses. This is repair. So so today is Wednesday. This should be 11th. Hold on, let me confirm. Yeah, 11th of October 2023. So so I came this morning and focused on the fan. So I had to dismantle my fan. It's not just the fan. Look at see, I had to remove one of the fan completely, pulled out the fan coils, so to remove this, separate the fan shroud or coil from the AC condenser, then shifted the radiator before I can now even access to remove this fan. I need to remove one of the fans to look at the condenser because what I realized was that on that vehicle they did the bypass up to 3 places. One somewhere here, somewhere along here, then 2 around here they push out a lot of fans here. Then 3 behind here where the fans are. I mean, it was a mess. It took me 3 days to be able to sort this out. So the car has a security around, so I don't know why it's doing. I'll talk to the owner to sort it out. So you can see I did the same here. So I want to test it now so that you guys can see. So let me start with the low fan. So the low speed fan. The lower speed test is off. So let's test the higher speed.
I want to get technology. Is it 50 now?
Yeah. No, I'm videoing it.
Okay, the diagnosis is it?
Okay. I don't want diagnosis and repair as well. Sorted out. So the only thing remaining now is to replace these 2 fuses and this relay. This car relay is actually one of is a spare, my spare relay which I use for diagnosis to eliminate stops out. So now the fan is sorted out. Ooh, 3 days, man. Honestly, next time I'm not any 406 V6 or 406 with SC engine. I don't think I'll collect anything less than 20,000 to device the car. I don't care how anybody feels about it because their own wiring system, the car wiring is completely different, much more complex, trust me, compared to the other Peugeot vehicles, including the newer ones. So, in fact, specifically the 406 VC, not even SC engine. Yeah, SC engine as well. 406 with SC engine, but the 406 VC is only just on its own. So, anyway, so let that be a lesson to people who like abusing their Peugeot vehicles, especially their engine cooling system. 3 days to be able to sort this one out. And also, we say, why should you take me that kind of car? Well, the difference is I'm not like every other person, who that will be job because some can do this reversal by doing the same try and error, the cutting and joining, swapping to see if it will work. which may end up damaging the engine ECU. But in my case, I decided not to. So it has to be done properly. So I've gotten it now. So let me see if I can make attempt. So I actually checked properly and realized that yeah, it's some BSI unit. But they've not changed the BSI in actually. But for some reasons, I don't know. The variable ratio steering is not communicating or not giving access. So I'll check the fuse is okay. The fuse is there. So what I'll do is now is I'll just come and check this the Cybertronic ECU, which usually is here. I think you can easily access it when you remove this, not necessarily this one. Then we'll see. I know it's directly behind the glove box. So I'll make the attempt. If I don't see anything wrong, I'm not going to swap mine with you. So if I look at it, as long as I confirm the ECU is there, I just leave it like that. So it's not a question of using mine to read my own ECU, Cybertronic ECU, to know if it will work. I'm not going to do that. Like I said, this will be the last I've used my car as guinea pig for other people's driving. So that is it. So I'll just take my time to assemble everything. Mine will probably be the last one I'll do. I'll leave it there. So I will assemble. Let me shut this thing up. It's too noisy. So I will assemble everything back and start the car. See what happens. So at least to be sure that there is no issue with the PCs apart from the fan at least that can cause overheating. Now that the fan works properly now, to be sure that so I've gathered from the owner that the car doesn't have the engine cooling system thermostat right now. But just to be sure there's no other thing. Maybe I will probably beat the system to be sure if there's any air to go out before I start the car. Because when there is air in the system and the fan is spinning constantly at higher speed, there's a possibility that the car will not overheat, depending on the volume of air in the system. But once you put everything back in place and there is air, yeah, it will overheat. Okay, so that's it. Something else I observed. As if the ECU, I don't know, it started failing or something. Engine ECU. There's some fault I normally see. Can see. I don't know if you guys can see. Say intermittent fault. Ignition injection control unit. Immobilizer code stalling. So I was telling the owner, I don't know why the immobilizer fault is coming up here. I just hope this ECU will not virtually pack up for good. Showing signs ever since he brought the car, this fault has been coming up. As if someone made an attempt on the ECU to repair it or something. Anyway, so let me make an attempt on the Cybertronic, that's the variable ratio steering, which is standard on 406 and then see what happens. Yeah, so I've removed the glove box. Probably I could have done it without removing it anyway, but I just think I think I would have done without it. So anyway, I removed this down one and so I went directly where where it is, and so as you can see, I had to it's actually attached directly behind the glove box, so I had to now let's see. So this is the Sabotronic ECU. So all 406 VCs will have this. This is what control the performance steering system on the all 406 VCs. It's more like the ECU or the module. So so I looked at it. It's okay. I don't see anything. I didn't look up. Even remove the module. It looks like a relay per se. But this is the part number 963598318. That's the Peugeot part number, I suppose. There's even a ZF product. So the wiring connector is intact. I think there's some installations down here that are not aftermarket. But there's something I observed. Hold on, need to get it right here. Now you can see these two connectors here. I don't see why these things should be disconnected. These two. This one is supposed to go into this, will be sorted on this one. So even though I looked at the harness from the Sabotronic ECU and didn't come to this side, but I think I'll plug it in and see. Plug it in and see. I think this is a factory connector. Then something else I also observed that is not correct. You can see this is the AC blower resistor. Look at how it's dangling. It's supposed to be inserted inside the blower, so that there's a position where position for it, so that as the blower is spinning, it's also cooling the resistor. But as it's like this, just a question of time to fail. I even stop the AC from working, the blower from working, because this also control. If this thing is bad, most times even your AC will not even run. So you can see some naked wires here. This one as well. So I'll need to tape these things. Okay, I can see why this thing put that. This thing has broken here, where it's supposed to hold into that one. I don't know. Let's see if I can find something to push. If I push it in, see if I have something to make it to stay so at that place. Maybe get a paper or something. I squeeze it in so it doesn't pull out. I'll try and push back in them. Also put this one back on the position where it's supposed to be, directly behind this glue box. So I'll call it a day. If the issue continues, the Sabotronic refuses to work, then there's nothing I can do. So we'll see. I think that's subjective. Okay, so I just got back from a test drive. So about 5 kilometers, just a 6-7 kilometer drive with the AC. So the misfire no more. The fire cooling system working very well with the AC at factory wiring connection. Cooling fan system of cooling fan wiring connection. So yeah, even the rear, no noise coming from the rear, so the suspension on the rear is taken care of. The front end needs some, I think the suspension have some issues. I can hear the noise when I was driving on rough road. Anyway, that one is now up to the owner to have it fixed some other time. But notwithstanding, all the things I was asked to do on the car have been taken care of. So the brake, yeah, normally one thing before we see sometimes when you breathe the system, the brake pedal will go floor for a while. Sometimes, like in my own car, I have to drive the car, let's say maybe like 50 kilometers that day. By the next morning, it will start working well. So I've advised the owner you come and pick the car and try. So hopefully by the next day it will to just start working. If not, then you can bring the practical for us to liberate the brake. So other than that, socket went off. Let's see. I think the car is still running on low speed. I'll just put out the low speed there. There's one of the something with noise here on the drive there. There's around that drive there. Either the power carrying force, the alternator, or one of those drive there mirror. Find out better. Okay, so yeah, the clutch here is vibrating just like the my phone 7V6 was doing that time, the coupe. So this one will do the same, it vibrates when you are trying to move from stationary. So other than that, so that's kind of the end of this repair. So until next time.